Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing some birthday cards and some other stuff for my birthday a while ago. Alright guys, we're first going to review the cards. Brianna, we're going to Alright.
We're splitting them up.
I don't care. Alright, Brianna, you show yours first.
So, a birthday... Look at it's on material. It's hilarious. And let's see on the inside. This is a really long time ago. What's your excuse of the other 364 days of the year? Happy birthday.
Alright. And next, we're going to take turns and do like that. Now, it says that, and here it says, because you're a terrific kid, and it's your birthday too, this robot brought a great wish, especially for you. Happy birthday.
Okay, now this one.
You need to read
Let's just skip this part.
Yeah, you can
and
read it.
we have to show you guys something. It's hilarious. It says, and out of contour, hope it's a blast.
Alright, so
Okay,
now we're gonna read. It's okay, guys. This I'm gonna review right here.
Is your birthday in September, Brianna?
Yeah, and Josh, we're just doing all this. Yeah, it's technically shining on the wall.
My
bad. Sorry.
It's really not. It's not. I didn't tell you.
Don't think my sister's annoying. She's funny. Alright, there you go. Now Brianna review that one.
This is the one I gave Anthony for his birthday a while ago. It's hilarious! And it says, on the inside, if I could open it, it says, Happy birthday, Anthony. Did someone say cake? Happy birthday.
Yeah, and this one says, Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, and many more happy birthdays. And it says, with love on the inside. Alright, so now I'm going to review the last two. Well, it's your birthday party or whatever. Hope you have a great day.
Okay.
And the last one is this one. Yeah. And this is from my sister. Sometimes you have to stop and taste the frosting. Make it a birthday, remember? Alright guys.
Okay, now
So
it's time to pull it out.
We're gonna split things out. Alright. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna grab more things for Brianna. Alright guys.
And if
I'll be back. Brianna, talk to them.
So, if I'm gonna have to see what I get. If I get the paper and the coloring crayons, which are 64 crayons, I am going to. I'm going to have to color something.
Guys, I'm
and
sorry,
then
but I do
you
have
guys
another
have to
choice
guess.
for Brianna, but she has another card to show you.
He gave it to me. Okay, so let me pull it out of the bag. Okay. Ooh, I got the card. You guys, you want to see something? Guess what? Say what? What? Chicken butt.
Alright, so now Brianna's gonna review her stuff over there. It's all of the Crayola stuff. Brianna, pull that stuff out of the bag.
Okay. Let's see what I get first.
Just crayons. 64 crayon colors.
Dang it. Now it's in, I know there's paper in here, so I have to get a piece of paper.
So we're just gonna put
I have to get a
that
piece of,
right here.
I have to get a piece of paper, and you guys have to guess what it is. Or he does.
Construction paper.
Okay.
Do you guys know what construction paper is?
96
sheets.
It's okay. It's really hard to get this.
Yeah, we're just gonna. Yeah,
No, wait. I know how to
open it up. All right, guys. While she does that, I'm gonna review one thing from my selection. Here, I have a giant boomerang. Yeah, giant boomerang.
Okay, I got it open.
Yeah, this boomerang is awesome in a way. But even if I don't know how to use it.
Let's see what I'm.
Alright, here it is. Who has it? Oh, look at all those colored papers.
Oh.
Show them, Brianna.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, it's like a mess right now.
Yeah, show them with you.
Right here.
See, look at all those colored papers. Alright, so now put those down.
Okay, let's get one piece of paper.
Now you're gonna. Alright, so now I'm gonna show this stuff. I obviously showed you guys the boomerang already. Now we have this. H20 Go. They're goggles for swimming. Maybe go to the marina or something. Yeah, they're kind of cool.
Okay,
Blue's
I got my
favorite color.
paper.
Well, now
it's time for the guessing game.
Wait, what? We're not playing a guessing game.
No.
Are we?
Yeah. Remember I told you we have to take out a paper. And then I have to write something.
Alright. I'm gonna take this off. I don't like it.
Oh, can I see the thing?
Oh yeah, take the Crayola stuff. Use it.
First I gotta make some of the picture.
Oh my god, the guessing game. Alright, here is the goggles. So now I'm gonna review the last thing of mine. Oh, a Nerf water soaker. You can do this like at the marina. Well, not the YMCA, not the marina. I'm sorry. You can use it at your pool if you own it. You can do it at a friend's house or whatever. Yeah. Yes.
Sorry, I'm not a neat writer, so.
So now, guys, this is just amazing. So we got a Nerf water soaker, we got goggles, and we got a boomerang. And we got a few birthday cards. And the special one, guess what? Here comes chicken butt. Oh, there's Christina. Alright, so I already showed you guys the boomerang, the super soaker, and the H20 Go goggles. And we showed you the paper and the Crayola stuff.
And I'm almost kind of making one thing of my.
Alright, she's gonna do one thing for me for the last thing of the video, and then I need to solve it, then I'm gonna show you guys, and then the video's
Okay.
over.
I'm unique either way, so.
Wait, grass. Is that grass? No. What do you think? A line?
No.
So lean on me, when you're not strong.
A rainbow?
No. Well, then what are all those colors?
You didn't see anything.
Alright, she's in the back of there, guys, using her phone. Her tongue is the best part of her body.
Peace out, people.
And she hopes that you guys subscribe to our channel too.
He said. I'm just kidding, yeah.
Alright,
Okay, now what do you think?
I think...
Goodbye.
Last color. I'm gonna have to get, and then you're gonna have to guess it.
It has to be a rainbow.
No. One more. Yes.
Alright, guys, I give up. Alright?
Okay, he gives up. It's a birthday decoration. Remember, it's all about the birthday.
Oh my god. Alright, guys, I'm so sorry, but bye, guys. See you guys in another video. And by the way, hope you subscribe and hit that like button. Bye.
Bye. I don't need